one of two Wisconsin girls who tried to kill a classmate to win favor with a fictional horror character named Slender Man, was sentenced to 25 years in a mental hospital, the maximum punishment possible. Anissa Weier, 16, pleaded guilty in August to being a party to attempted second-degree intentional homicide, but she claimed she wasn't responsible for her actions because she was mentally ill. In September, a jury agreed. Waukesha County Circuit Judge Michael Boren on Thursday sentenced Weier to 25 years in a psychiatric institution, retroactive to the date of the crime. That means she would be institutionalized until age 37. Weier and Morgan Geyser lured Peyton Lutner into a wooded park in Waukesha, a Milwaukee suburb, in 2014. Geyser stabbed Lutner 19 times while Weier urged her on, according to investigators. Lutner survived after she crawled out of the woods to a path where a passing bicyclist found her. Both Weier and Geyser told detectives they felt they had to kill Lutner to become Slender Man's proxies or servants and protect their families from him. All three girls were 12 years old at the time. Weier apologized in brief comments before her sentencing. "I do hold myself accountable for this and that I will do whatever I have to do to make sure I don't get any sort of delusion or whatever again," Weier told the judge, as she sat next to her attorney. "I want everybody involved to know I deeply regret everything that happened that day. I know that nothing I say is going to make this right and nothing I say is going to fix what I broke." Lutner family spokesman Steve Lyons said they were pleased with the sentence. "They believe that justice was served," Lyons said. "The sentence today allows for some additional closure for Peyton and her family, and it also keeps both Peyton, her family, and the community safe." Lutner's mother, Stacy Lutner, sent the judge a letter this week in which she wrote that the trauma of the attack has defined our lives and that her daughter still fears for her life. For months, Peyton slept with scissors under her pillow for protection, and she still keeps her bedroom windows closed and locked. She will struggle with the events of that day and physical and emotional scars it left for the rest of her life, her mother wrote. In her letter, Lutner did not ask the judge to sentence Weier to a specific length of time in the mental hospital, but she said her daughter wouldn't feel safe if either of her attackers is released back into the community unsupervised. Peyton has a lifetime of healing ahead of her and she deserves to be allowed to heal in an environment where she feels safe, her mother wrote. No one from the victim's family addressed the court during the sentencing hearing, deferring instead to the letter from her mother. Prosecutor Kevin Osborne argued for the maximum 25-year confinement, which the judge granted citing ongoing concerns about Weier's mental stability. Considering the nature and gravity of this offense, being supervised until the age of 37 is not all that long. In terms of the fact that Peyton is looking at a lifetime of scars, physical scars and psychological scarring, Osborne said.